with meteorologist Ashley Ruiz.
Good evening to you. Dark, ominous skies looking from our sky cam. This is looking towards those storms in Denham Springs. You saw the strike of lightning off in the distance. 91 feels like 104 degrees. We dodged most of the rain today, but now storms are slowly pushing into the area. We have this one training storm, the one we were looking at towards, at least from our sky cam. That one is moving very slowly. I'll show you in a minute, but you can see numerous to widespread showers and storms to our southwest, closer towards Morgan City, Franklin, Jeanette, and then just south of New Iberia over Vermilion Bay. And then we have some intense storms just along and north of I-10 in Acadiana and then in southwest Louisiana. So here's a look at some of these storms right over Denham Springs, actually growing in coverage. And then just on the east side, the A-meet closer towards Walker, couple of showers, couple of storms developing over the Baton Rouge area near Highland, or I should say South Baton Rouge and near Old Jefferson, Shenandoah. And then looking to our north, this one storm that's just been hanging out over Greensburg, starting to push more to the west. Now remember, there is that level 1 risk for severe weather along and north of the 10 and 12 through tonight. So the main concern would be damaging winds and maybe some hail as well. We will also have to watch for some localized flash flooding just because of the slow moving nature of these storms. Here's a look at the HRRR model. It updates hourly and it is showing, here's 8 o'clock, showing more storms developing through at least late tonight, and we may not even be completely done with the rain until overnight, with some coastal showers developing early in the morning, offshore and coastal showers. Overnight temperatures should generally be in the mid and upper 70s, maybe some low 70s in Mississippi, but we'll all warm up tomorrow into the low and mid 90s. But I do want to stress it's all dependent on how quickly storms develop and then the overall rain coverage tomorrow. Even outside of thunderstorms, just like today, we hit 96, but our feels like temperatures were well into the triple digits. Now, the best chance for rain for the Baton Rouge metro looks to be in the afternoon. I'll show you on the future track in a minute. But then Friday, about 95, feels like temperatures in the triple digits, and rain coverage looks to be about 60%, 50 to 60%. So here's our in-house model. This is showing tomorrow morning. It's not picking up on that coastal rain, but I still expect at least some coastal showers in the morning. Here's about lunchtime, noontime, give or take. It shows spotty showers and storms, but then we get that heating of the day. Showers and storms start to break out over the area through about maybe 9 o'clock or so, 8, 9. And then Friday, once again, coastal showers as the day progresses. That's when we'll have the best chance for at least scattered showers and storms. But I also want to note, you see how rain coverage was not widespread. It's not going to storm all day, but those that do get caught under this rain could be dealing with at least several inches of rain. So estimated rain totals through Friday night could be anywhere from ½ of an inch up to 2½ inches with locally higher amounts. That's what we've seen at least the last couple of days. Some spots barely get anything, whereas others 3-4 inches of rain, but those are more isolated spots. Looking ahead to the weekend, Saturday, 50-50 shot, just your summertime pop-up storms. That's going to be the case into Monday as well, but notice those feels like temperatures in the triple digits, but not just that, over 110 degrees. So even with storms in the forecast, it's still going to, or we're still going to be dealing with dangerous heat. And we could have some heat alerts in place over the weekend once again. So we'll have sun, we'll have storms, dangerous heat, and potentially some dangerous storms too, with a lot of lightning, gusty winds, and so on and so forth.